Hello friends, I am Arnav Gupta. Welcome to my channel Dev Jindals. From now on, I am going to start up an Scratch series in which I will teach you Scratch, and after completing this series, you would be able to code anything on Scratch. So let us begin. So today in this session, we are going to start with motion blocks. So x-axis, y-axis, those are things you will know about them. And after the end of the session, you will get a small mini exercise. In the next session, I would be showing the results, the answers. So let's start. So as you see in the background, we have x-axis as left to right and y-axis up to down. The upside is positive and the downside is negative. Same with x, the left side is negative and the right side is positive. So now if I create a point, so how will I know where the point actually is? So here I have created a point. Okay. So if I place it over here. So do you know those coordinates? It is 100y and minus 100x. So x, it is going to the left side, that's why it is negative. And here it is on the right side in the upside, that's why it is positive. So if I need to tell the scratch cat to go to the point, so I'll need to type go to x minus 100 and y 100. Let's test it out. Here we go, it is coming to the crystal. Same with glide. The glide 1 second to random position. Here it glides 1 second to a random position as it says. So if I keep it 2, so it would go more slower. It would take 2 seconds to come to its destination. Now if you want to see some x-axis and y-axis of a sprite, so you will find it in this column. Okay, and the point to remember is x is left to right, y is up to down. Now let us come to direction. Move, turn, move this. So as the name says, you will get it really easily. If I click this, so it would turn 15 degrees like this. Now it isn't showing any effect. Let me keep it about 100. Did you see this? Let's test it on the scratch cat. And go. It's working. Now let me tell you about the position. Go to and glide 1 second to x and y is a perfect thing where it would go expectedly. Now this move 10 steps or change x by change y by. These blocks are unexpected. They don't have a fixed value that how much steps it would go, at what axis and y's it would land on. So move 10 steps. As soon as I click it, it moves 10 steps in the forward. Change y by 10, change x by 10. As it says. Now if I wanted to go to left side like this, so I would do negative 10. Now when I click, it is going to the right side. So this is done. Now let us come to set position, set direction. This is point in direction. It is the same. So we have two columns for now. Move 10 steps, change y by, change x by, point in direction 90, set x, set y, go to glide 1 second to here. We have these two columns right now. So over here, this is the unexpected one where the location isn't fixed, and here the location is fixed. Now if I want to take this to the point, and if I use them, it is more harder to code like this, then change x by, change y by, those are things. And here it reached. So for this we need loops that would come in some 2-3 sessions afterwards. Let us stick to our session. So we are here now. Point and direction, because I have moved some, so the sprite isn't in a straight angle. To set it to a straight angle, I would click point in direction 90. Here is a wheel which would tell you where the scratch cat would actually point. So -75, it is pointing the same way. Now as you see, this has turned upside down. To fix that, we have got a block called set rotation left to right. Don't rotate and all around. So for now it is set to all around. Now when I set it to left and right, it won't move yet upside down. Let me show you. I have this, I click. It doesn't work. It is in the same direction, either like this in the right or either in the left. If I do don't rotate, so anywhere I move it won't work. Like it won't go up, it won't go down. Okay, so here we go. It doesn't move up, down, left, right. It moves nowhere. And here all around, as the default it is set, it would go to any direction. This is 0, this is 30, this is 150. Yes. Now let us create a small thing. This scratch cat would walk on the stage. Let us create it. So these are the event blocks. People also call them the hat blocks. When green flag clicked, it works when some specific action is done. So when green flag clicked, if we click this flag, it would work. So let me show you. Move 10 steps when green flag is clicked. It is moving. Now when space key pressed, if I press space key, so it would do some action. Now here are a variety of keys: 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 4, 8, 2, 1, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, up arrow, down arrow, right arrow, left arrow, and space. For now, if you need more ones, so you have Makey a extension. This would we would come over here next time. So now let us create our project. First it would go to x0 y0. Go to x0 y0. Let's see. Yes, it comes. Now point in direction 90. Let's see. Yes. Now we'll use a loop. This is a loop, so don't go in complex. Here is just a small loop forever. It all the time just does the same code again and again. So why are loops important? If you are making a code, fill ice cream 3 cones. So the machine would put ice cream on the 3 cones. Now, are you going to write that same thing again and again? Change x by this, then fill the ice cone, then again. For that, we have something called loops. So forever, it would move 10 steps forward. It works. But as you see, this has stuck over here. We want it to come here, then here, then here. For that, we would keep if on edge bounce. I drag this here. In the starting of the code, we must start with initialization. And in the next, we would start with the code. Let's see. If on edge bounce. So it must be in forever. Here's 3. Now this cat is turning upside down. Do you know the solution? I'll give you 10 seconds. Okay, the solution. As I had told, set rotation style to all round and those all things. So we'll do it left to right. Now let us start this again. It looks like the cat is just gliding around. So we have something called costumes. These are mostly used in animations. So we would add a next costume. Now it is running fast and fast and fast. For this, I have one more solution. I'll duplicate this. Now I'll only keep the forever here. And wait 1 second. As the name says, wait 1 second would do that command only 1 second pause. So let's do. So after 1 second it is switching it, and in the 1 second it is going for a full screen round. So we need to reduce it by half. So 0.5. Now it is happening 2 times. It's working. Now let me introduce you to backdrops. You can go to the backdrops palette and you have various tons of things, stages, those all things. So let us choose up a background. Let's make up a walking scratch cat. So I choose this. Here you see. Now I stopped my project and placed this over here. Now as I can see, my y-axis is negative 91. So when it starts, it must go in that y-axis. So minus 91. Let us test our project. Here it works. Okay. Now the sprite palette. The same thing is over here. You have many tons of sprites which have some costumes. To make up a costume, I would be showing it on session 5, animation skills. So here is a scratch cat. Now let me make the scratch cat unalone. Let us show it to its clone. Here. Okay, so that was for today. A small exercise. You need to create a small project in which the scratch follows your mouse trail. Let me give you some hints. You will need some blocks. So those blocks are this and the drop down. Then go to green flag forever. After the next session, we would modify it a bit more into a game. So stay tuned. Bye for now. Thank you.